Blue-ringed octopus. It's tiny but glowing with blue rings. It's very beautiful but poisonous. It hides under shells. Giant squid. It has eyes as big as soccer balls. It lives deep in dark seas. It can reach as long as a bus. Plankton, it's too small to see. It floats with the current. It makes oxygen for Earth. Sea hare, it's soft and purple. It squirts ink when scared. It loves eating seaweed. Nudibranch, it's a colorful sea slug. It looks like underwater candy. It moves slowly on coral. Porcupine fish, it's like a puffer fish with big eyes. It puffs up and shows sharp spines. It's cute but spiky. Remora, it has a suction head. It sticks to sharks and turtles. It gets a free ride and leftover food. Cleaner rasa, it's small and blue. It helps clean other fish. It eats tiny bugs from their skin. Triggerfish, it's tough and colorful. It guards its nest bravely. It can lock its fin to stay safe. Surgeonfish, it has a sharp tail spine. It eats algae on coral. It swims in groups called schools. Goblin shark, it has a long, pointy nose. It lives deep under the sea. It looks like a sea monster, frilled shark. It looks like a ribbon. It has hundreds of teeth. It's very rare and old. Anglerfish, it has a glowing lure. It lives in deep, dark water. It wiggles the light to catch prey. Vampire squid, it's dark red with glowing arms. It lives deep where light never reaches. It looks spooky but harmless. Leafy sea dragon, it's covered in leaf-like fins. It moves slowly like drifting seaweed. It's one of the prettiest fish. Pipefish, it's long and thin like a straw. It's related to the seahorse. It hides among seagrass.